carries a yellow triangular flag. She represents the coming of the Christianity of the Philippines, which is founders landed in Roman in the Visayan Island. Once again, Reina Bandirada from San Antonio, Dubai. Reina Mora from Bergen sa Carmen, France, Nicole, and Delguna. Reina Mora, she represents the Local region of those times. Before Christianity was introduced, Mora is the beginning of Moro from the Muslim religion, mainly from island of Mindanao. Once again, Reina Mora from Bergen sa Carmen. Reina Shima from Bergen sa Fatima. Jubian A. Ang. Reina Shima, the Queen of Sheba, is said to be a very beautiful, wealthy, and wise lady. She traveled far to meet King Solomon. She brought him spices, gold, and precious stone to test his wisdom. Because she was in the way of Solomon her wisdom, she pronounced a blessing that Solomon God in return. He gave her everything her heart desired. She carries a joy in the house. Once again, Reina Shima from Bergen sa Fatima. Reina Esther from PCBI, Mary Immaculate R. Reina Esther, the name Esther, means star. Because her beauty, she was chosen to be beauty. When an order to kill all Jews was made by one of the king's men's name Haman. Queen Esther prayed to God before revealing to the king that he was a Jew. She told the king that she would have to die, since he was one of them. So king stopped the execution, and because of Esther, a nation was saved. She bears a shelter. Once again, Reina Esther from PCBI. The Samaritan woman from Bergen sa Fatima. Lesson 1. The Samaritan woman. The well was surprised when Jesus told her, because Jesus' Samaritan friends did not have everything to do with each other. Jesus offered her living water, and the woman came to the well from the well. She inspired the people of Samaria. Another person in the Bible, she carries a jug over her shoulder. Once again, the Samaritan woman from Bergen sa Fatima. Veronica from San Antonio, Dubai. Every 13 and true. Saint Veronica was a woman who loved Bible. She loved the face Jesus with love and peace carried his cross of gold. Jesus accepted offering and once his face was saved. His invention was miraculously imprinted. She carries on his cross with the face of Jesus. Once again, Reina Veronica from San Antonio, Dubai. Mary of Magdala from Bergen sa Carmen. Robin T. Bunamu. Mary of Magdala, she carries a bottle of perfume. Mary Joan from East Island, Dory B. Magdasa. Mary Joan, she carries a perfume. Once again, Mary Joan from East Island. Divina Pastor from IPP, Mikey D. Andres. Divina Pastora Mother Mary, the Divine Shepherdess. Mary as a mother, as the shepherdess and guardian of the Divine Shepherd, our Lord Jesus Christ. She carries a shepherdess too. Once again, Divina Pastor, Reina de las Estrellas from CFC, Jar D. Arbor. Reina de las Estrellas, the Mother Mary, Queen of the Star. Mary, who is a blessed among all women, holds a special place among the stars. She carries a wand with a star. Once again, Reina de las Estrellas from CFC. Rosa Mesquita from East Island, Eliza G. Newman. Rosa Mesquita, Mary the Mystical Rose. Mary the most beautiful transformation is indeed a incarnate rose, especially chosen for God Garden. She is the rose of Sharon and Lady of the Valleys. There is a rose comparable to Eve that she has been paradise ever so much for beauty. She carries a gold crown. Once again, Rose of Destiny from Israel. Reina Paz from IPP. Hazel HPP. Reina Paz, Mother Mary, Queen of Peace. Mother Mary, the lover of peace, implore to must keep our eyes and focus on God in order for the world to have peace. She carries a symbol of peace and love. Once again, Reina Paz from IPP. Reina del Cielo from Vilhen sa Atin. Dani Ilatiroso. Reina del Cielo, Mother Mary, Queen of Heaven. The Catholic that she will be subject to the spirits and couple issued by Pope Francis states Mary is called the Queen of Heaven because her Son, Jesus Christ, is the King of Nazareth and heavenly King of the universe. Heavenly tradition to matter that He is King. She carries a crown. Once again, Reina del Cielo. Reina de las Virgins. Ira P. The personification of Mother Mary Beauty's heart symbolizes the honor and holy love of fine woman, all women. She carries a rosary and surrounded by angels. Once again, Reina de las Virgins from the heads on. Reina de las Flores from East Island, John and Marie B. Obama. Reina de las Flores, Mother Mary, Queen of Flowers. The Blessed Mother is honored and crowned with beautiful blossom of flower each year. During Month of May, earning her the little queen of flowers, she carries a bouquet of flowers. Once again, Reina de las Flores from East Island. Reina Abogada from Bergen sa Island. Bishop Nicole Alta. Reina Abogada, Mother Mary, defender of the poor. Reina Abogada is a protection of the Mary Lord to be the protector of the poor, the oppressed, and the oppressed. Is always ready to defend and protect those in need. She wears a black graduation gown, and gown she carries a pink blue. Once again, Reina Abogada from Bergen sa Island. Reina de las Esperanza from San Antonio de Padua. Angel P. Balu. Reina de las Esperanza, Mother Mary, Queen of Peace. She symbolizes the theological virtue of hope. She carries an anchor. Once again, Reina de las Esperanza from San Antonio de Padua. Reina de la Fe from BYA PQP, Zagara Veterans. Reina de la Fe, Mother Mary, Queen of Faith. She symbolizes the theological virtue of faith. She carries a cross. Once again, Reina de la Fe from BYA KDP. Reina de la Carga from East Island. Josephine Chin R. Khan. Reina de la Carga, Mother Mary, Queen of Charity. She symbolizes theological virtue of charity. She carries a red horn. Once again, Reina de la Caridad from East Side. Reina Elena, 2024, from East Side, Ina A. Daniel. Reina Elena, she is a legendary founder of the True Cross. She carries the cross. And Constantine, Steve Ray A. Daniel. Empress Helena's True Cross was a legendary founder of the True Cross. Despite her advanced age, she traveled to the Holy Land in search of the cross that Jesus was crucified on. She found 3 crosses and proved which cross was true by having a woman who had already the point of death or from Jerusalem. She the woman touched the first and second crosses. Her condition did not change. But when touched the final cross, she suddenly recovered. Helena declared the cross with which a woman had been touched to be the true cross and brought it back to Rome. The true cross is represented by small cross appearance. She is escorted by Emperor Constantine. Once again, our reinas from Santa Cruz 2024, a big hand please. You may now take your seats. And we will come for the assist of crowning of the Virgin Mary. Okay, so ihangin ako ang tanan, palihog balido. Around the Bronx Blues. Please be seated.